Carma Spence of Carma's Cookery, and today I have for you a review of a new baking club. It's called the Handy Baking Club. I can't tell you how to join because I couldn't find any information about it. Apparently, I'm on the front line here. I've been given a free sample to review. I don't know if this is what happens when you join or not, but I suspect it is. You get a kitchen gadget and a newsletter. The kitchen gadget I got sent was this really cool embossing rolling pin with Star Wars figures, which I don't know how they knew I was a Star Wars geek, but it's pretty cool. So basically how you use this is you roll out your cookies with a normal rolling pin. Otherwise you'll get mixed up messages on here to like maybe just a little bit thicker than you want the cookie. And then with the final roll through, you roll this on and you get images. You can get this on Amazon. I will create a link for it just in case you just want this. But the impression I got from this club is that you get a kitchen gadget and then you get a newsletter. This is the first issue of the newsletter. It's called the Baking Times. And it's really quite a nice baking newsletter. So inside it, you've got a kids corner where you get to learn how to do a project with your children, which is really cool. I love that. It's like baking with your kids. So it talks a little bit about how to bake with your kids, and then it gives you like a holiday cooking recipe that you can do with your kids, which is kind of cool. And then it gives you some other ideas for decorate. This would happen to be decorating for Christmas because this is the December 2018 issue. I don't know if it's going to be quarterly or monthly. Probably monthly, I'm thinking, because that would make sense for a baking club. What I really like about this newsletter is it comes with some like baking chemistry information. So this one is about the difference between butter and shortening, why you would use one over the other. And the reason why I think it's really important to learn a little bit about the chemistry of cooking, especially in baking, is because that empowers you to be more creative in the kitchen. When you know the difference between baking soda, baking powder, yeast, and using egg whites as leavening, then you can choose, okay, can I use this leavening agent instead? Or can I tweak this recipe to use this other leavening agent because I don't like the flavor of this other leavening agent? And same goes with, there's a lot of it beyond butter and shortening. There are some people, like when it comes to pie crust, they just swear by lard. And a lot of it has to do with flavor, but sometimes these things make a big difference in the texture of the resulting product. In fact, I had a story. I was making a chocolate torte for my father, and I didn't know that different size eggs have different amounts of egg white, and that when a recipe says eggs, it automatically assumes large eggs. Well, my father had bought medium-sized eggs, so when it called for 15 eggs, I used 15 eggs, and the torte didn't rise. However, if I had known that the recipe called for large eggs and we had medium eggs, I would have known to use more eggs to make up the difference. I learned that little bit later when I took a cooking class. So it's a really good idea to like read up on books and stuff. I will put some books in the links below of books that you can read that will give you a little bit of information about the chemistry of cooking. Again, that's even more important in baking than in any other type of cooking. Another article in here is, I can't wait to try this. It's how to make a cookie tree. That never even occurred to me. I think that's such a cool idea. So it's got a little baking craft thing in here. And it tells you how to cut it, and it gives you I can't wait to try this recipe. Gingerbread cupcakes. Yum. They look good. Don't they look good? Whoop, we're over here. Yeah. They look yummy. And then there's a kid's recipe. This one's apple toffee muffins. I'm assuming that's not just for kids because that looks really yummy too. And then, it just has really good photography. And apparently on this one, they even give you, apparently they had an advertiser that gives you a discount on their thing. So this is called the Handy Baking Club. It looks like it comes with a newsletter and some sort of kitchen gadget. I'm assuming every month. Once I know a little bit more about the club and can point you to it, I will. I'll put it in a link here below the video as well as on the blog. I hope you enjoyed this review. This is Carma Spence of Carma's Cookery signing off. And remember, unleash your kitchen creativity. Hi, this is Carma Spence of Carma's Cookery, and today I'm coming with you. Kitty, stop, stay.